Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Recipes by Malaika. Today we are making an amazing dish and it's an Arabic dish and it's very tasty. So must try it. So let's start. A tablespoon of yeast, a little warm water and then mix it till the ingredient is dissolved. After that a little bit of oil and again mix it. And after that 2 cups of flour and mix till a little bit of salt and mix it till the water dissolves in flour. After that use your hands for making a beautiful dough. You can see how beautiful it is and a little bit of oil on the surface. And after that you have to keep rest till 15 to 20 minutes and then a little bit of flour. And you have to make your dough shape. So I am making my dough shape in medium sizes, you can see. So it's upon you, you can make big size, small size or medium shapes. Now it's time to make the dough in circle shape. Okay, now main ingredient is this. This is minced meat, ginger, onion, garlic and little bit of minced carrot. And it's cooked in pressure cooker till 15 minutes. So you can see the ingredient. You have to follow and make it like this. You can see. And now we have to put some more ingredients like tomatoes, carrot, coriander, ginger and chilies. And this is dried mint, turmeric powder, salt, cumin powder, black pepper. And now mixed all the ingredients very well. You can see now the ingredients are already mixed. And now it's time for making our dough. So you have to use a rolling pin for your dough to make it thin. You have to make it in circle in shape. You can see the thin. And now you have to put the minced meat on the surface of dough. Okay, now it's almost ready. You can see how beautiful it is and it's very yum. Now you have to put it in the oven till 10 minutes. 7 to 10 minutes it will become cooked. So now our dish is ready and it's very yum. You must try it, you will love it. So must subscribe the channel for more videos. Inshallah we will meet in next video.